Hi everyone, here we've got REALME Narzo 10 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the home screen and wallpaper. Here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom and find the personalization section. Now let's tap on set wallpaper simply, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We can choose it from the photos, so we will be just transferred to our own gallery, or we can choose it from static wallpapers. So here we've got some defaultly installed options from which we can choose. So as I said, here we've got some options, and in order to check the preview of the particular wallpaper, all you have to do is simply tap on it. So let me pick this one for example, and as you can see it is immediately applied to our screen. So if you are happy with your choice, all you have to do is simply tap on set as, and here you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both. So I think I will pick both options, so just tap on it. And now we can go back to the home page and check. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to our home screen. Let's lock our device and check the lock screen, and it is visible also right here. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your REALME Narzo 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.